Right now, you are sitting on a rock hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour, orbiting a star so large that 1 million Earths could fit inside it, in a galaxy containing 400 billion other stars, in a universe so vast that the light from its edges has been traveling toward you for 13.8 billion years and hasn't arrived yet, and you thought your commute was long. The human brain is extraordinary. It built cities, composed symphonies, and split the atom. But there is one thing it was never designed to do: truly comprehend the scale of the universe. Not because we aren't intelligent enough, but because the distances involved are so incomprehensibly large that no amount of intelligence can make them feel real. When scientists say the universe is 93 billion light-years across, your brain hears the words. It processes the numbers. But it doesn't feel it, because nothing in your evolutionary history ever required you to feel it. Today, we're going to try anyway. We're going to travel from where you are sitting, outward, step by step, until we reach the very edge of everything we know. And along the way, your sense of reality will never quite be the same. Imagine that the Earth is the size of a marble, 1 centimeter across, sitting on a table in front of you. On that scale, the Moon is another marble, placed 30 centimeters away, close enough to touch. The Sun? On this same scale, the Sun becomes a sphere 2 meters wide, roughly the height of a door, placed 215 meters away. That is 2 football fields between you and your nearest star. And the edge of our solar system? On this scale, that would be 15 kilometers away. 15 kilometers just to leave our own solar system, when the Sun is only 2 meters wide. But here is what should stop you completely. The nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, on this same marble scale, sits 56,000 kilometers away. That is nearly 1.5 times the circumference of the real Earth. And Proxima Centauri is our closest neighbor. The gap between stars is not empty space with occasional stars in it. It is almost pure emptiness, with rare, isolated islands of fire so far apart that crossing between them would take thousands of human lifetimes, even at the speed of light. Our entire solar system, the Sun, all 8 planets, every asteroid and comet we have ever mapped, is a single point of light inside the Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way contains an estimated 400 billion stars. If you counted 1 star per second, without stopping, it would take you 12,000 years to finish counting. It is 100,000 light-years across, meaning that light, the fastest thing in the universe, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, takes 100,000 years to cross it from one side to the other. Our solar system sits roughly 26,000 light-years from the center of the Milky Way. We are not even close to the middle. We are in a quiet arm of the galaxy, far from the dense, violent core. And the Milky Way is not alone. It is part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group, which contains over 50 galaxies bound together by gravity. The Local Group itself is part of a larger structure called the Virgo Supercluster, a collection of galaxy groups spanning 110 million light-years. And even the Virgo Supercluster is just one small region of the Observable Universe. We haven't even started. Pull back further still. The Observable Universe, the region of space from which light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, is approximately 93 billion light-years in diameter. It contains an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. 2 trillion, not 2 trillion stars. 2 trillion entire galaxies. each containing hundreds of billions of stars of their own. The total number of stars in the observable universe is estimated at 1 septillion. That is a 1 followed by 24 zeros. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on every beach and desert on Earth, by a factor of 10,000. And here is what should make you sit very still for a moment. The observable universe is not the whole universe. It is only the part we can see, limited by the speed of light and the age of time itself. The actual universe may be infinitely larger. Some models suggest it is at least 250 times larger than what we can observe. Others suggest it has a boundary at all. We are not looking at the universe. We are looking at a tiny window, the small fraction of reality that light has managed to carry to our eyes across 13.8 billion years. Everything else is beyond our sight, perhaps beyond our reach, forever. And yet, remarkably, the universe is not random. When astronomers map the positions of galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years, a breathtaking structure emerges. Galaxies are not scattered randomly through space. They form filaments, vast threads of matter stretching across hundreds of millions of light years, connected at nodes where galaxy clusters concentrate. Between these filaments are enormous voids, regions of space hundreds of millions of light years across that contain almost nothing. No galaxies, no stars, no light. Just emptiness so profound that it challenges the meaning of the word empty. This structure, filaments, clusters, and voids, is called the cosmic web, and it is the largest known structure in the universe. Here is what makes it extraordinary. This same structure, filaments connecting nodes with voids in between, appears at a completely different scale inside your brain. The neural networks of the human cortex, when mapped, show a pattern strikingly similar to the cosmic web. The largest structure in the universe and the most complex object in the known universe share the same architecture. We do not fully understand why, but perhaps the universe builds complexity the same way at every scale, and the mind that is trying to understand the cosmos is, in some profound sense, made in its image. So what do we do with all of this? The honest answer is, we don't know. Confronting the true scale of the universe does something strange to the human mind. It can feel overwhelming, isolating, as if nothing we do could possibly matter in a cosmos this vast. But there is another way to hold this knowledge. You are not a small thing in a large universe. You are the universe. 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution, looking at itself. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a dying star. You are made of the same material as galaxies. And of all the matter in the observable universe, only an infinitesimally small fraction has arranged itself into something that can ask the question, why does any of this exist? You are that fraction, and that is not nothing. That is perhaps the most extraordinary fact in the cosmos. The universe is 93 billion light years across. It contains 2 trillion galaxies. It has existed for 13.8 billion years. And somewhere inside it, on a pale blue dot, orbiting an ordinary star in an unremarkable corner of one galaxy among 2 trillion, something happened that had never happened before. Matter became aware of itself. You are not separate from the universe. You are what the universe does when it becomes curious about its own existence. Every question you have ever asked, every moment of wonder you have ever felt, that is the cosmos, contemplating itself through you. The scale is not meant to make you feel small. It is meant to make you feel connected to every star, every galaxy, every photon that has traveled billions of years just to reach your eye. Look up, more often than you do. If this video expanded your sense of reality, hit the like button. It takes 1 second, and it helps more people discover OMNIA. And if you want to keep exploring the deepest questions about existence, consciousness, and the universe, subscribe. Because next time we go even deeper. Welcome to OMNIA.